Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a Primark haul, or Primark, whatever you want to say. Primark, tomato. Okay, so me being me, rip bag, and I wanted it to obviously be pristine to show off in the video, but there's a rip here, and there's, hit myself in the face, and there's a rip here. Typical me. But yes, I went to Primark. I didn't pick up too much stuff, but I thought it was enough to do a little haul and try on the bits. So I'm just gonna pick up whatever's in the bag first and show you. I literally bought this stuff like 2 weeks ago, so I feel like I went shopping again because I just forgot I purchased all the stuff. Well, I say all this stuff, it's not actually a lot. But anyway, so the first thing are these yellowy mustardy trousers, and I'm wearing a kind of similar coloured top, and this is severely clashing right now, but let's just move past that. So yeah, I got these trousers. They are kind of like cigarette style trouser design. They have a really cute belt on them, and I think I got these on the sale. Yeah, they were £15, but I got them for £7. Love a bargain. Typical Primark. I picked them up and didn't see the label, but I picked them up, and the hanger, if you can see that, the hanger says a size 8. Okay, I am a size 8. And then I came home and the label says a size 10. Now, I'm sure that's happened to a lot of us when we have been to Primark, and it's so annoying. However, I have tried these on and I think the belt has saved it. I can just make them a little bit tighter and it doesn't look too bad, to be honest, but I wasn't surprised at all. Like, that happens in Primark all the time. But yeah, these are really nice. I think I could wear these during the day with like a simple white top or something with Converse, or I could wear them out with like heels and probably a plain white top again, if I'm being honest with you. What I'm trying to say is that these could be like dressed up or dressed down, and I really like them, and for £7 you couldn't go wrong. It's just the whole sizing thing. Yeah, we'll move past that. Next, I got some underwear. Normally, well, I say normally, when I first started doing YouTube, I remember when I did Primark hauls, I didn't really show my underwear. I'm sure I didn't, but we're all humans here. We've seen a pair of knickers, I'm sure. Oh, and I also got bras too, but I'm pretty sure we've all seen a bra. So I'm just going to show you the underwear because I think they're pretty cute, if you ask me. So most of my underwear is actually from Primark. I just really like their underwear, and I feel like they've got so many like just different styles and they're cute. So I got this pack of 3 thongs. I tend to wear thongs. I just find them comfortable. I know some people say they give you a wedgie, but personally I feel like the bikini kind of briefy style knickers give me a wedgie more than a thong does. I don't understand why, but that just seems to happen. When I wear the bikini briefs, they just seems to go up my bum, like my bum is eating the pants, whereas with a thong they just sit nicely. Anyway, I don't know why I had to get all TMI, but there's that. So I got this set. I got 3 pairs for £3, so they were basically £3. No, what am I trying to say here? They were basically £1 each, which I think is really good for a pair of pants. I got them in a size extra small. Primark have changed their sizes now. An extra small is a 6 to 8, whereas a 6 to 8 used to be just a small, I'm sure. But yeah, you get a leopard print style, sexy, just a plain white and then a plain black. So that's them. The next set that I got, these were £2. So even cheaper, love it. They used to be £5. Chloe and I were looking through the sale underwear bit, and it was so funny because I feel like this is a moment where you had to be there. But Chloe was like, who even is a size 4 to 6 anymore? But I feel like these look bigger than a 4 to 6. So the other ones were a 6 to 8 and these are 4 to 6. But I feel like looking at pants, you just know if they're going to fit you. And to be honest, I think these will fit me. So yeah, 3 pairs for £2, which is good. And these are so cute. Like, they're quite saucy, if you ask me. Who the f is ringing my buzzer? I took too long and I missed it, so oops. Anyway, I don't even know what I was saying there. I think I was going to show you up close the detail. So wait, I'm actually going to open these because I feel like I can't show you when they're all stuck together. Right, here are the white ones, so I'll just show you these ones up close. They're all the same design. They're quite, I say quite, they're very see-through, and they've got like crosses on each side, so that'll be where your, kind of where your hips are, and then a wee lacy design here, and yeah, because you can literally see my face right through that, so yeah, you won't be hiding anything when you're wearing these anyway. So yeah, I got 3 colours, a burgundy, a dark grey and a white, and I just think they're really, really cute, and yeah, very saucy. Okay, I thought that was all the pants I bought. Clearly not. I bought another set because these were in the sale, and I just realised these are in a size 10 to 12. So basically all the underwear I've bought are different sizes. I think it's because when I picked these up I saw small and I automatically thought that was a 6 to 8, whereas their sizing has changed, and yeah, I think I just saw 50p and thought, it, 50p for a pair of knickers, I'll have them. But I don't know if these will fit, but they were 50p, so I can't really complain. I think I just like the colour. I love coral, and these will look really nice with a tan on too actually. So yeah, 50p for a pair of knickers. Bob's your uncle. I feel like I might as well show you the rest of my underwear that I bought. Why not? I got 2 bralettes. I got these in extra small, so again this is 6 to 8. So I got one in black and I got one in white. I just thought these were really, really cute, and I tend to wear bralettes because I don't have the biggest chest ever. I am indeed in the itty bitty titty committee, but I am proud of that. It means I get to wear cute bralettes, right? I mean, that's one positive out of it. So this one says non-wire bralette and this one says for everyday comfort wireless. They basically mean the exact same thing. They were £4 each, and I just like wearing bralettes because they're comfortable. I don't like, see, wired bras, like, oh my god, they dig in sometimes so much, and there's actually been like times where the wire has actually cut my skin, and that is just not a good time. So yeah, I really like bralettes, so I thought I would get one white and one black because I feel like all my bras are really white or black because any underwear goes with that. So yeah, that's my logic. It makes sense in my head. Okay, so next I saw a t-shirt, which I probably didn't need to buy, but got it anyway, didn't I? I did. So it's just this white and black. I feel like I can hardly tell the difference between black and navy, but I'm almost positive that is white and black. So this was only £4. It's like a v-neck design, which I think is quite flattering, and I just thought I could literally wear this with absolutely anything. And I have so many different stripy t-shirts, but clearly when I bought this I thought one more wouldn't hurt. So yeah, that's that, and I got that in a size extra small. Okay, so next I got this I don't even know what you'd call this. I think it's a t-shirt, but to me, I wanted to buy it to be a t-shirt dress. So I went up like 2 or 3 different sizes. I got it in a medium, which is 12 to 14, and it just says, I'll tuck that label in there, it says loves me not, and it's in this really nice like dusky pink. So I got it in a size medium, so it could be a t-shirt dress. And I held it up when I was in Primark because I didn't really want to try. I hate trying things on in the shops. So I just like held it up in the mirror, saw what it kind of would look like-ish. And it didn't look too short. So I'm debating whether to wear it with tights. Although in this weather I probably will need to wear it with tights. But I could like wear it without tights in the summer or on a night out or something like that. I just absolutely loved it. Do you know when you just see something and you're like, I need that in my life right now, and then you just shove it in the basket? Well, that's what happened when I saw this. Yeah, like I said, it was only £6, so yeah, I'm looking forward to styling this as an outfit. And the last thing is a belt. Now, I think I own one belt, and I think the belt that I've owned, I've had that for numerous years. I'm not really one to buy belts. I just don't. I got this belt because as soon as I saw it, I was like, that'll go with that dress. Well, the dress that's not really a dress, but I'll make it a dress. So as soon as I saw that, I was like, that just goes perfectly. So I bought the belt. The belt was £5 and I got it in a small, and it's like kind of rose gold here, and I just thought, yeah, it would go perfectly with this. wrap it like around the middle, bunch it up at the top. I'll insert a clip so you know what I mean, so it just, you know what I'm talking about, you can see it. But yeah, I just thought it would look so cute. A pair of boots, with or without tights, leather jacket. I just thought that would look fab. And you know, the two of them together, so what, that was £6 and £11. You can't go wrong. I actually thought it was like a wee fashionista when I saw these two items, because they just go together swell. Okay, so that is everything that I got. I told you it wasn't much, but I did think that I would do a little Primark haul, and I want to start doing more videos, so I thought, bugger it, I'm just going to do a Primark haul because I thought that was a good amount of stuff to show. So yeah, anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment down below if you would like to, and please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know down below, because I am jotting ideas down and I'm getting through them, because I don't want to speak too soon, but I want to start posting 2 videos a week every Wednesday and Sunday, and I just want to get myself into a schedule and just getting this YouTube channel on track, basically. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!